Chrome Incognito Mode shortcut in Windows 10 taskbar. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create the Google Chrome Incognito Mode shortcut in your Windows 10 taskbar. For that, you have to follow this step. So here you have to go for the start option here. On your start option, you have to search for the Google Chrome. So once you have searched for the Google Chrome, here you have to click here. So here you have to right click here and go for the open file location. So under your Google file location, here you have to right click and go for the copy option. Once you have copied it and go back, go to your desktop home screen and paste that here. So once you have pasted it here you have to right click here and go for the properties option here. So under your properties, here you have to go for this. So here you have to right click here and go for the properties option. Once you are on your properties, here you can see the target. So once you are on your target, you have to go for the last here and put your cursor there. So once you are here, you have to go for one space only and go for the hyper option. Go and click the hyper here and write the incognito here. So once you have write the incognito on the bottom, you can see the change icon option. Here you can see the change icon. So here you have to go for the OK option, and here you can see that you have created the incognito tab on your home screen of your desktop. Again, you have to go for that and right click and go for the rename option and go for the incognito tab here and go for the enter option. Again, you have to right click on that and go for the pin to taskbar here. So here you have to go for the pin to taskbar here. Go for the pin to taskbar. Here you can see that and go and open here. So here you have successfully created a Google Chrome Incognito Mode shortcuts in your Windows 10 taskbar. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.